a day.
Hello everyone and welcome back to another mukbang. It's Lisa here and today I have some delicious looking and smelling Indian food. It's been a little bit since I've had Indian food and I have been craving it. So let me tell you what I got. I got some vegetable samosas, some chicken tikka masala, some rice, some garlic naan. Okay, and these, the little balls that I have right here in this little dish that you can see, those are called Gulab Jamun. I literally had to look up the pronunciation. Look.
Gulab Jamun.
Gulab Jamun. I hope that's how it's actually correct. You tell me if anybody actually knows that. But okay, let's dig in. I'm really excited about this. Let's start with some of the naan. Just gonna dip it in the sauce first. I've never had this place. It's Himalayan Kitchen. So let's see. Wow, this is exactly what I was craving. There was one that I got on Thanksgiving. That's when I very first ever had Indian food, and it was chicken tikka masala. I had it on Thanksgiving Day with my friend Shabin, and the next two that I had after that, I think, the next one after that I had was not very good. But this is delicious. That's like exactly what I was wanting, that flavor. These pieces of chicken are big. Cheeto. So how have all of you been? Sorry, kind of stuttered there. How have all of you been? And do you guys like Indian food? If you do, what have you had? Chicken tikka masala is pretty much the only thing I've had in samosas, so. Okay. They did give me some sauces, I think, for the samosas. I don't know what it is, though, to be honest. I think this one is the one that has a lot of cilantro in it or something. I don't think I'm gonna like that. I don't think I ever like it. These are really big. Very crispy. I hope you guys can hear that crunch. I like that dark sauce. I've been pretty good. Kevin's still been busy. He's actually out of the house right now. Should be home soon. But yeah, he's been having to go to work like even on his days off, and I don't know if he just finds out last minute or ever gets to tell me, but he's been telling me last minute. So I'm like, I'm just gonna film. Rice is pretty good. I mean, it's rice. See, my camera's doing weird stuff again, so bear with me. At least it saved the video this time whenever I looked. I love naan. Oh gosh, my cat always pushes my door open. I don't know if you can hear that when she does it. I wonder if I would like a different protein in that, you know? Okay. Right before Gulab Jamun. Right before I was about to try the Gulab Jamun, my camera shut off like that. Okay, this one's lighter. They feel like they're like kind of fried or something. I didn't really look at what they were. Okay. The texture is kind of like a really dry ball that's trying to be like cakey, but I don't know. It's just overdone. Okay, if it looks and sounds a little different, it is because I have tried twice to remedy the issue with my camera in between this mukbang, and I just ultimately decided to start filming with my phone because it kept missing parts that I was eating, and I don't want you guys to miss any of this. So yeah. Anyway, there is a show that I watched that I talked about in the mukbang that disappeared last time. I was eating my hair. Not a show, a movie called Maybe I Do. And I thought it was like the perfect example of like healthy versus unhealthy relationship and how they handle conflict, like the parents and stuff. And I thought it was pretty cool to see both and the effect that they have on the children who are now grown adults, and coming from somebody like me who came from a home that had no example of good, like, true love type thing. I have no idea what it is in the Tikka Masala that I love, but I'm obsessed with it. I think you guys also missed me opening this. It's a 60-minute IPA by Dogfish Head. Stole it from my husband. Oh, I don't want that on my face. Ooh. Good. I wasn't really hungry before I started filming this, but this is really good. I've been like kind of in a food funk, I think. Sometimes you get that way with having to film stuff on YouTube all the time. I feel like you're not solely there to just enjoy the food. So I tend to, every once in a while, especially whenever I'm trying to make a lot of content, like get burnout from like food, especially fast food. Oh, that's a lot. Not a lot of sauce. I only missed, well, you did miss quite a few bites, I feel like. But that's okay. We still got a decent amount of mukbang here. I also just finished watching The Batman with Robert Pattinson and Zoe Kravitz in it. I love both of them as actors, and I think they did a great job. I really like the movie, but I'm a fan of both of theirs, so I don't know. Maybe I'm biased like I always am. Oh. Okay, let's eat this, even though I'm not really sure I'm gonna like it. This one's even darker than the other one, so that I'm assuming that means that it's gonna be like harder. It feels like it. It's just a weird texture on the inside for me. I don't get it. These are really good. They're just really big, one of them, you know, like, dang. Which is fine. More for me to eat. Why am I hot in here? Something else I finished watching is Sweet Magnolias. And I just feel like those three women are like what well, at least for me. I'm actually, you know what, it's not everybody, probably not everybody cares about it, but just being like those kind and loving people in the room and generous, and those three women that are the Sweet Magnolias in the show. Wow. Excuse me. They are really just great people, you know, like inspiring people too. And I feel like I just would love to have like their kind of mentality, and I don't know, maybe I do, but they execute it so well. And then like everybody that is around them, everybody just knows like the right thing to say, like all the characters. It's just like, and it's a small town. I love those type of things. It's not always my typical ones, but I still love them. So perfect with naan. Alright. With all that trouble with my camera, and you guys missed a bit of me eating, I'm so sorry that this probably is going to be a little bit of a shorter video. But I enjoy filming so much. I just need to figure out my camera so I can stop having that frustration of it. Because that's literally the only thing that's like an issue right now. And then, yeah. But I'm happy that I still at least have my phone that can record in like 4K. So that's fine. Please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're new here. And if you're not new here, please subscribe if you aren't already subscribed. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!